Good afternoon. Hope you all are doing well. Let me start with my brief introduction. I am lecturer, columnist, artist, as well as social activist. Today I am here with you to address smaller changes have bigger consequences. Smaller changes have significant impact. Think about it. In our daily life, there are many examples. You may notice or not. A single seed grow into a massive tree, and how a small spark can ignite how a small spark ignite a fire. So it's not always the grand gestures that are required for to bring a change in the world. It's always minor shifts in our behavior, thinking, and lifestyle that bring a profound change in our society. That bring a profound change in our society. These minor shifts collectively collaborate and lead to profound transformation in our society as well as in our personal life. Impact of small change, like waking up earlier daily for 15 minutes, either for exercise or either for reading. It seems very insignificant effort, but over the years, these 90 minutes duration help a lot in self-improvement. Likewise, small act of kindness, smile to stranger, as well as small act of kindness, any kind of kindness like offering help to your neighbors. It seems nothing, but it can make someone's day, it can brighten up someone's day. Let me ask a question. When was the last time you make someone happy? Raise your hands. You remember or not, but you not make one person happy. Whenever you make one person happy, you create a chain of positivity. It seems like ripple. According to Oxford Dictionary, what is ripple? Ripple effect is a situation that create effects that spread and create further effect. Let me give you example. You help your friend to complete its 3D science project, and she hands over that project to her science teacher on the time. It makes that girl happy. She subconsciously decides to help another girl and make someone's day. That girl subconsciously decided to help someone and make someone else's day. And this pattern goes on and on. Likewise, kindness, advocating for justice, and all little efforts create a substantial change in our society. Uh, Likewise, complimenting someone. Whenever you compliment someone, it brightens up someone's day. I am a person, I am often compliment other people regarding their dress, shoes, earrings. I quote my example, my father always told me, go and tell that person directly. I used to be shy regarding that, but later on I realized how that one comment can make someone's day, can brighten up someone's day. According to Life Lover magazine, complimenting someone not only boosts self-esteem of other person, but also want that person to be around you, because we all want positive feedbacks that collectively bring a positivity in our society. Likewise, all these small changes, if we discuss these small changes on larger scale, like environmental movements, it always starts with the individual act regarding his own choice to conserve water, to reduce the use of plastics. These small efforts collectively adapted by many. When many people adopted these small efforts, it encouraged government and industries to bring further sustainable changes regarding that. Likewise, all movement like wave of feminism, human rights waves, LGBTQ waves, and all waves, it all start with the 1% effort, 1% individual act that was amplified by many people, and it will lead towards substantial change in society. As Mother Teresa said, I can't change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water that can create many ripples. So today, think about it, what I said to do. It's a beautiful reminder for all of you to be a start or part of the ripple of positivity. These small changes can make someone's day and bring a substantial change in our society. Thank you.